Guys, we're going to watch Singapore Garden Festival 2026 Whispers in the Air is a floral demonstration showcase featured at the Singapore Garden Festival 2026 at Takashimaya Square. It is part of the festival's live program where expert floral designers present creative, modern arrangements in front of an audience.
So when I play with this design, I always enjoy because I never tried it before, and the weight of the flower, I never tried it before, and the weight of the flower is also very important. When it's enough, it's enough. So I would really like to start with my work, and I put this on with paper with wire, and I just glue it. Create a shape and you can just hang it. The feather, like hanging clothes, but the best thing, they are moving. I try to create kind of like very beautiful flower, and the flower is sponsored by GG Flower Shop with our wholesale center. And this is medium, such a beautiful flower. It's curved around. And you can see the repeat of the movements from flower to the structure. It's always related to the top. And when flower don't move, the stem really create the movements. Even they don't move, they feel it's moving. And it's very interesting with the chip. Can insert and easily they hang around. It might be still keep on moving. The best for design is repeat and repeat with the movement. So even if you have any question, please you can ask me, or maybe later you can ask me if you really have some questions. If you want to know more about my creation. That the flower is always not on the same level and can lock in between the structure. Can continue the movement, but always careful because the balance of the arrangement is very, very difficult. And also when you play with the flower, might be the flower don't stop, they move around, but you can use the structure to lock it, so you can see the flower actually locked by the structure, and the flower don't move so much. Control. So I have 3 designs for today. So this is my first design. And on a few more flowers. Here you can lock in between the structure and the flower. So I'm happy with the stage, and the light is bright enough for me to look at my tube. When the stage is too dark, even I cannot see the tube. How's your view? In front, I didn't see from the front view. Looking good? I just tried in error. But you can guide me if you are not happy with the position. So I really love this flower because of movement. So beautiful. This is decorative. The decorative means you can do anything. There's no rule. You can cut, you can join flower, you can make it dryer. That's what the rule is. Floral design, green is one of the great interesting material and plant. Without green, the flower never made or leaf. Like my first design, thank you. So like ideas in the land, the not very popular in them. They reach to the other end of the flower. This is the way. Now not in the container, outside the container. So you can feel the movements, and it's very nice. You can move around in different colors. Balance is not balanced. Still, that's the difference is that. Yeah, thank you for, this is my first arrangement. Thank you so much. aspiration. Okay, no floral, just water. And when you use floral, then the flowers become cool and it's not value. With the water, the fly can last longer without floral. And to do a cake, just that is for today. Thank you so much. Is that good? Clap for me, thank you. Also, flower arrangement is very fun. You can do what you like to do. Nothing right or wrong, but if you want to be more enjoyed on the banquet, make sure the flower are not clustered together. There will be more freedom. So I did a hand type cake. This is what we call a cake with the structure. So we can, with the structure, the flower is very free and you can just throw in. And there are three different techniques in hand type cake. So we are professional, flower lover, professional, all different groups here. So to do a hand type cake, there are three types of techniques. One's called parallel, spiral, and intersection. So today I will try to show you the parallel technique. Before I continue, you know what that material I use? Anybody? Chinese New Year festival. We have a lot of see below. So the see below will drop. And this is how the see below. And it will move one by one. You can see the container, the texture of the container, the texture of the see below. Slowly move to the top. Don't throw away anything. Use everything that will work. After Chinese New Year, so the branches that I use is flower roses. The roses is like a paper actually. So this is white and dry and one color with cotton. Okay, another blue light and white line. They are not too dry. It's very fresh. So this is another spectrosa that is sitting on top of spectrosa. This material when it dry nicely. With the wire, I cannot go. single flower and hold it. You see the center? Number. It's very powerful. It's not only sparrow. Container, a lot of flower, and no one always down. For someone who never tried, when to stop? When we are okay, when to stop? Anyone? When your hand cannot hold your stop. When your hand can hold, just continue. Really nice. You see the movement, creep around. Nature always having to create something beautiful. You like peony? Because expensive, so you like it. You like chrysanthemum? Because it's very cheap. So maybe next year we can create a Guinness World Record, the largest, the biggest number of players. And have a big overhead, create a record. How many blooms they can hold in your hand? How many steps? All the beautiful flowers will last long because of the weather. It's very warm and stuff. So there's how many flowers that I hold already? How many steps that I did? Lost count. based on the length of the container, just cut it to the length. So they just contract to just throw it, then I can see it. So I hope you like it for my vertical arrangement, and I still have 3 leaves. So I can insert this. Only I can create a chip, I can insert because when it's time to create a shop, I can create a plastic chip, just insert to the chip. Easily I understand there's nothing here, and it's not here. So the link of which create a chip is not anymore. So your eye will be very nice to be relaxed. You see a bunch of flowers, you see some of them talking point. It's very helpful for your eyes.
So fun when you create the structure, just buy a few flowers to win. For those who cannot do, you can order from me. When the flower dry off, any flower is dry, you just take it out and just put a new one. Even if you don't add new, it still look very nice. Very nice structure. Even I don't put flower, it really looks nice. Of course, like today is a garden festival, so we cannot do without a lot of flowers. We need to show more flowers. Of course, at home you can do whatever number of flowers that you need, because it's about the flower not really lasting in Singapore. Like you use some preserved flower. The risk is very high. Okay, keep on moving, and moving. Anybody have anything for me? Any questions? No. Okay, it's good. So when my doing flower arrangement is really fun. Very fun and relax. Especially on Sunday, but nothing to do, join me with flower. It's very fun. No stress. Only you get angry with the flower. The flower never gets angry with you. Structure or flower, you can just lock it and they stay, they don't move anymore. They hold very well. I show the other side. Which color you like more? The back or the front? Right, I really don't like a big stage because it's too far away from you guys. You don't talk to me. You ignore me. I ask questions, you just sit there and join. No response. And the noises, I can't hear also, right? I can't hear you also. This is anthurium. The anthurium, you can bend it. It will break easily, but you can massage it. You can lock with the structure. So even I can just bend it with the structure. It's locked in between so that the flower doesn't move anymore. Are they cheer for me or no? Ooh, I did some noise, a little bit quiet on big stage, but so quiet, and you just relax sitting. It's good. a lot of tube, but sometimes even I want to find a tube also difficult. This is spiral. No, really hard to understand, right? Move a bit more inside. Really interesting to extend as far as possible to get a counterbalance with asymmetrical powers. Come to the end of my section. It's not when the flowers keep on moving, so it's really nice to use one big flower and they can hold it. It doesn't move anymore. Hydrangea to create a base. And bring the color back to the frame and to the top. See the flower keep on moving when you just lock it into the structure of the state. And this is asparagus. So it used to be green color and a bit too strong for my arrangement. So I spray it in silver. balance and try to keep a bit more heavy weight on this side. So you try to get a physical and nice balance when you see from your view and my view. So do we think without flower better or with flower better? Go. Okay, thank you. So I think I'm done. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you like the section that I'm sharing with you guys. And any question, anything you want to ask me, I'll be here. So the stage belongs to you now. Okay, come around and take photo. And because we have a free slot now, after my section, there are no, so the stage is free. Allow for you guys to come down and take a picture. And any question, let me know. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Anson Low from the Noble Man School of Floral Design for that wonderful and insightful session. Let's give him a big round of applause. Before you go, we will hand over our flowers to bring home. So we have another exciting floral demonstration coming up at 5 p.m. So do stay around and join us for the next session. Thank you everyone for joining us here today at the launch of Singapore Garden Festival. Enjoy the beautiful displays and activities happening today.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified of my latest uploads. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.